Morning, folks. It's not even 5 a.m. yet, and I figured I'd do a video on this light. I went to Harbor Freight and I seen it, and it's the 3-inch. My first thought was, damn, this light's heavy, and it is solid. And I was quite amazed at how solid this damn thing is. I guess you could say it's a little pricey. And has three settings, but it's pretty damn bright light. The magnet in this thing is like crazy. It swivels, and the swivel's not gonna come loose. Basically, full 360, which is cool as hell. They have it in different colors. The battery lasts quite a while. We used it all day, and one battery just worked fine. I haven't had it back on a charger yet. We actually used it for more than a day, like a day and a half. But it is a nice bright light. The magnet is awesome. Doesn't take much to get shit a bigger angle here. It's a strong magnet. I was quite impressed by it. And I think if you or somebody definitely work on cars, this light is so small, gets up in tight spots. I have several different lights here, and everything from the big hood light to different arm lights. These lights here are a way to go. They just find something to grip to it, and you can get your light in. And they're so small that they fit any hole. I normally use lights like this, and don't get me wrong, it's a good light, works great, but you see how much room that takes up. Then I went and I got this light. It's a good light, and it's definitely smaller, but it still does not get in the holes as this one get into. So when you're comparing lights, it's just a different world. The beam is not as wide than, say like this one. And so you can get a reflection on the wall. Or I wish that you could maybe let's comparing the two next to each other. The small one's off. It's just a big one. So you should definitely see the difference. You turn that bad boy on, it breaks up the whole wall. You turn that one off, you really can't tell. Turn this one back on. Turn that one off, you should definitely see a difference. So, yeah, it's definitely a bright light. I haven't had the privilege of actually using it in a tight, in the pit yet. My buddy has, and he says it just brightens up everything down there. But yeah, go to Harbor Freight, pick one up, check them out. You won't be let down. They feel real solid. Later, folks.